In this video,
we will learn how to fly a plane in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to fly a plane after getting into the game and getting a hold of a plane, all you need to do is you need to check out the controls of flying a plane. In order to check it out, all you need to do is press the escape button to head into the map menu. From here, you need to head into the settings tab. Then from here, you need to head into the keybind section. After heading into the keybind section, you need to head into the aircraft tab. From here, you will find all the settings of an aircraft. So in order to move the aircraft on the ground, we'll use our normal WASD key binding. In order to control it mid-air, we'll use the rolling technique. So pitch forward and pitch backward are like going the upwards and downwards direction. So pitch forward will be going the downwards direction and pitch backwards will be going the upward direction, and the roll left and right option will be to move the plane on a leftward and rightward trajectory. You can also turn the landing gear up by pressing the G button. So after you have seen all the settings, we can head inside the aircraft. Then press W to power up the engine and take off. After that, we'll press the K button, which is the pitch backward, in order to go up into the sky. Then press the G button to turn the landing gear up. After that, we are airbound. Now we can press the J and semicolon button to roll left and right, and I and K button to move the nose upward and downward. So this is how you can easily fly a plane in GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.